So this was the first St. Nicholas Day, and all the kids were really hungry, but there were some kids that weren't hungry, that were really hungry, but they were not complaining about it. And someone called Nicholas saw what they were doing, and he said they really deserved something. So when they left their shoes outside, St. Nicholas came, and he gave them a coal to make their house warm, sticks to make a fire, and a potato to eat, and a little treat. And thank you very much.
And then what about Santa Claus?
And then Santa Claus saw what St. Nicholas was doing, and he got inspired, and that's why he gives us presents. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Anna.